In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change cell color automatically based on value in Microsoft Excel. We're using conditional formatting to make Excel highlight cells for you based on the numbers they contain. This is perfect for spotting high performers, low stock levels, or anything that needs quick visual attention without manual coloring. First, start by selecting the cells you want to monitor. Click and drag to highlight a specific range, or select an entire column if that's where your numbers live. It's important to select before you create the rule so the formatting applies exactly where you need it. With the range selected, go to the Home tab on the ribbon and click Conditional Formatting. This feature lets Excel change how cells look depending on their values, and it updates automatically as your data changes. From the menu, choose Highlight Cells Rules. This gives you quick, common comparisons you can apply in just a couple of clicks. Choose Greater Than. A small dialog box appears. Type 500 in the box to tell Excel to look for values greater than 500. On the right, pick a formatting style. You can use a preset like light red fill, or choose something subtle like a light green fill to keep your sheet readable. Click OK, and you'll immediately see cells above 500 change color. As your data updates, the highlighting will update too. Now let's catch the lower values. With the same range still selected, open Conditional Formatting again, choose Highlight Cells Rules, and select Less Than. Enter 499 to mark values below 499. Pick a different color so it's easy to tell high numbers from low ones at a glance, then click OK. You now have two clear visual cues, one for values above 500 and another for values below 499. A couple of helpful notes as you work. The greater than and less than comparisons are strict, so a value exactly equal to 500 won't be colored by these two rules. That can be useful if you want a neutral middle range. Also, make sure your cells are actually numbers and not text that looks like numbers. Conditional formatting compares numeric values, so text won't respond the way you expect. If your sheet feels too busy, consider lighter fills or a bold font color instead of heavy backgrounds. And remember, you can always adjust or remove these rules later by opening Conditional Formatting and reviewing your rules in the manager. That's it! Your cells now color themselves based on their values, keeping your data clear and actionable at a glance.